Hi there! Regular viewers will probably already know that the Aferiy P110 248 watt-hour portable power station is our go-to solution when off-grid, giving us everything we need for cooking, diesel heater and charging other devices. Well, today we're trying out its little brother, the P110, which just like the 210 has the 25 amp 12 volt output that we need that most power stations only provide 10 amps. That isn't enough for most diesel heaters, never mind the rest of your 12 volt equipment. So stick with us as we compare the two models and see some real life tests exactly how much the P110 can do. Don't forget to check out our other videos on everything campervan and motorhome related, from solar to water, heating to gadgets, tyres to trips. If you like this video, please do hit the thumbs up, it really does help me to know what you like, and you can ask any questions or give feedback in the comments. If you want to make sure you don't miss any of our future videos, please hit the subscribe button and clicking the bell will give you a notification when a new video goes live. Finally, if you do decide to hit the thumbs down, it would be great if you could also leave a comment so I know what you didn't like. Power when off-grid is one of the things we get asked most about, and the simplicity and now cost of a portable power station rather than individual batteries, charger and inverter is something that is becoming more and more popular. We did a detailed review of the Aferiy P110 last year, which you can check out up here, and it continues to serve us well, with our key call-outs being its large capacity, simplicity to use, long warranty and its pretty unique 25 amp 12 volt outlet, which means we can run the whole of our van's 12 volt system from it, as well as the 240 volt mains equipment. But it may be a bit big for everyone, so we have its little brother, which maintains the key benefits of the P110, but with a smaller capacity battery and lower rated inverter, making it cheaper, smaller and lighter. Before we put the P110 through its paces, we'll do a quick comparison of the two models, so let's get on with it. Both the P110 and the P210 are an all-in-one solution to your power needs, so let's look at what they include. The battery, pure sine wave 240 volt inverter, solar controller, 12 volt charger, 240 volt charger, mains, 12 volt and USB ports, and the control panel showing what you are using and how much power you have left. Not forgetting all the wiring and cabling to connect everything together, without the hassle or installation cost of doing it yourself. The primary difference between the two models is the capacity of the battery. The 110 has 960 watt hours and the 210 2048 watt hours. Both have the latest Li-Fi P04 batteries for safety and longevity. The 110's inverter is rated for a continuous 1200 watts and the 210 twice that at 2400 watts. Because of this, it's likely you may want to connect more appliances to the 210, so that has 3 UK main sockets compared to the 2 on the 110. When it comes to 12 volt sockets, they both have that superb 25 amp 12 volts outlet, along with a standard 10 amp car outlet and 2 3 amp outlets. They also both have 2 USB-A sockets, 3 20 watt USB-C and 1 100 watt USB-C sockets. When it comes to charging, due to its lower battery capacity, the 110 has a maximum charging rate of 700 watts, with the 210 being 1100 watts, meaning both will charge to full from empty in around 2 hours when connected to 240 volts. They can both take up to 500 watts of solar, and the 110 weighs in at 15.5 kilograms and the 210 at 22 kilograms. They both have a superb 7-year warranty and are available from Aferiy's UK store with delivery of 2 to 5 business days. And when it comes to price, with the current offers and our special discount code, you can get the P110 for just £499, the equivalent of 52p per watt hour, and the 210 for just £854, an amazing 42p per watt hour. Let's take a look at what you get with the P110. It comes with a useful protective cover, a nice organiser case to keep the mains and solar cables in, the warranty and instructions, and of course the unit itself, which we'll have a quick look around. The storage compartment in the top is great for keeping the cables in, and the protective cover is a nice touch to keep it in good nick. So let's do a real life test of what you can expect from the P110, the smaller of the two models. We're going to use it with an induction hob, air fryer and collapsible kettle. We're going to try to cook breakfast, lunch and dinner for 2 days and see how many hot drinks we can also make before the P110 runs out of juice. During the test, we're not going to be charging the unit at all, so this could be increased with the use of a solar panel to charge the unit as you use it. So starting with a breakfast of sausage, bacon, egg and beans, I've obviously sped up the cooking process or this would be a very long and pretty boring video. But as you can see, after testing the sausage's temperature to make sure they are cooked, at the end of the cooking breakfast, the P110 is down to 88%. For lunch, we're going to use the air fryer to make a pita bread pizza. The air fryer is rated at 1.2 kilowatts, which is the maximum continuous power the inverter is rated for. And we can see it copes fine, and after 3 minutes at 200 degrees, our pizza is ready, and we're down to 80% capacity. Dinner's going to be beef teriyaki stir fry and noodles using both induction hobs, which uses a total of 14% of the power, leaving us with 66% left. For breakfast on day 2, we're going for a bacon and egg muffin, dropping us to 58%. Lunch is a halloumi stack on a toasted brioche bun, and we're finished with 51% of capacity left. Which is a good job because dinner is going to be an energy sapping southern fried chicken and chips and peas in the air fryer. 10 minutes at 200 degrees leaves us with 23% of the capacity of the P110 remaining. So let's take a look at how many hot drinks that 23% of power would give us. To make this comparable to having the drinks over the 2-day period, I'm boiling the kettle with a mug full of water each time rather than in large amounts. And the P110 finally cuts the power after boiling 10 mugs of water. So in answer to the question, can you cook all of this with 960 watt hours of power? Yes, you can. So if you're looking for what we would say is the best value and most functional power station you can get, either the P110 for under £500, or if you want more than twice the battery capacity plus double the inverter rating, the P210 is just £854. So check out the links and discount codes in the video description. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, if you have any questions or feedback, please pop them in the comments below. If you find the video useful, please like, share and consider subscribing.